Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. An architect's masterpiece awaits you. Designed and previously owned by one of Jamaica's renowned architects. Welcome to 17A, Farringdon Heights, Kingston 6. For sale is this three-story home on approximately 33,692 square feet with magnificent features, views of the city, and access to the outdoors on each level. The ground floor houses two bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, the kitchen, dining, and living room. There is also a huge game room that accommodates a pool table and a great space for entertaining. The middle floor connected by a wooden staircase with wrought iron canisters. Houses four bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. This include the primary bedroom, which has its own sauna and an open air deck. There is also an office which can double up as a seventh bedroom, as the owner strategically has a daybed there for napping. Completing this property is its large swimming pool with expansive deck, a gazebo, and a separate lounge area. The property has standby generator and solar panels. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 1.9 million, or Jamaican $292.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.